end of our session for this 2-day workshop on geometrical interpretation of mathematical concepts. We thank greatly Mr. Chanchal Das. And we have with us Mr. Asim Banerjee. He is a professor from DAIICT. So I would like him to share a few words.
Okay. First and foremost, I think we owe it to Mr. Chanchal Das for trying to remove a lot of fear that we have in our minds regarding mathematics and mathematical concepts. And one of the things that he has done very easily and I would say cleverly is to provide us with a visualization. Now, mathematics is a subject when it is taught at a level of abstraction where a student is expected to imagine. And if a student is not able to imagine what is happening, very often he or she is handicapped, and as a result is not able to understand or follow the concepts, the fundamental concepts. And when those fundamental concepts are not clear, then the superstructure that one builds on those fundamental concepts, they automatically become very weak. So by providing a tool like Excel and helping us generate these views, he has empowered the student to visualize whatever is happening. And he is, as he very lucidly in today's session explained about how integration, differentiation, calculus, linear algebra is carried out by mere matrix manipulation. I think that's a very, very important visualization tool that he has given us. So thank you, Mr. Das.
Thank you.
And I'm very happy that all our interaction that happened with him for the past couple of years, where we were throwing problems at each other as to how do we make things easier for people to visualize, all of them have borne fruit. And we actually have a capsule, workshop capsule, which we can impart it to our students. And in this particular workshop, another interesting factor which you would have noticed is the diversity of backgrounds of the participants. I don't think in any class you will get such heterogeneity. Usually you will have students of the same background, same educational level. But here we have a designer, Adarsh. Here we have a petroleum engineer. Then there is a student of class 9 in school. And there are professionals who are about to step into the professional arena. So in terms of diversity, background, you won't have got a better heterogeneous composition. And I'm sure each one of us, having learned, having dealt with mathematics in the past, having our different skill levels or comfort level with mathematics, all of us have definitely got one thing very clear, that if you work, if you are able to visualize, then automatically our comfort level or fear of mathematics will go. And that again is a huge contribution to this community which is grappling with this idea of mathematical concepts. So thank you very much. Thank you GTU for making this happen, and I hope all of you out there who are watching this telecast will benefit from it. However, I would say as an instructor, the work is only half done. Whatever you have learned, you have to take it forward and try to apply the same. Okay, the use of Excel that Mr. Das has shown us in the last couple of days, that we will have to keep using in future, and try to come up with our own Excel solutions that will enable us to visualize. And moment we start doing it, I think we have set the ball rolling in the right direction. Thank you.
Thank you for those motivating words. I would also request Professor Banerjee to distribute this participation certificates. May I please call upon Patel Jaimini?
Thank you. Good. Congratulations on successfully completing.
Parth Patel.
Congratulations and all the very best.
Adarsh Mora.
Congrats, Adarsh. Thank you. And all the very best with your struggle with maths.
Himnesh Dhar.
Congrats, Himnesh. In some sense, he has been our Guruji in the last couple of days. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, for guiding me.
Thank you. All the best.
Anand Shukla.
Congratulations. All the very best.
Nilay Upadhyay.
All the very best.
आप कुछ बोलेंगे?
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.